Throughout history, nature has provided us with extraordinary plants, each offering unique benefits to our health and well-being. Among these, Urtica, commonly known as stinging nettle, stands out as a true powerhouse. While its sting may have earned it a reputation for caution, beneath those tiny hairs lies a treasure trove of nutrients and healing properties that have been celebrated for centuries. Let's begin by understanding what Urtica is. Stinging nettle, or Urtica dioica, is a perennial plant found across Europe, Asia, North America, and Africa. Its jagged leaves and upright stems are covered with fine hairs or trichomes, which release a mix of chemicals when touched, causing a mild temporary stinging sensation. But beyond this prickly defense, Urtica is packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that can transform your health. For thousands of years, traditional healers have turned to nettle for its potent medicinal qualities. Ancient Egyptians used it to treat arthritis and lower back pain. Roman soldiers reportedly rubbed nettle on their skin to stay warm. Today, modern science is catching up, confirming many of the health benefits that our ancestors intuitively understood. Let's explore the remarkable ways in which Urtica supports our health. First and foremost, nettle is a nutritional powerhouse. The leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. They also contain essential minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. This impressive nutritional profile makes nettle an excellent supplement for overall vitality, supporting everything from immune function to bone health. One of the most celebrated benefits of Urtica is its anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many common diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Nettle contains a variety of compounds, including polyphenols and flavonoids, that act as natural antioxidants, reducing oxidative stress and calming inflammation throughout the body. Several studies have shown that nettle extract can significantly reduce inflammatory markers, making it a valuable ally for those struggling with joint pain or inflammatory conditions. For those who suffer from allergies, Urtica offers hope. Seasonal allergies, or hay fever, can make life miserable. Itchy eyes, sneezing, and congestion can take a toll. Nettle's natural antihistamine properties help block the body's production of histamine, the compound responsible for allergic reactions. Research suggests that taking nettle supplements or drinking nettle tea during allergy season can help reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. Nettle is also renowned for supporting urinary tract health. Traditionally, it has been used as a diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body. This makes it particularly helpful for people dealing with urinary tract infections or benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition in older men where the prostate enlarges and affects urination. Clinical studies have shown that nettle root extract can help reduce the symptoms of an enlarged prostate, improving urinary flow and reducing discomfort. Another impressive benefit of Urtica is its positive impact on blood sugar levels. Early research indicates that nettle may help lower blood glucose, making it a promising supplement for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. The plant's compounds appear to mimic insulin and improve the body's ability to use glucose effectively. While more research is needed, these findings point to nettle's potential as a natural tool for blood sugar control. Nettle's high iron content has made it a traditional remedy for anemia, especially in women. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other health problems. Nettle not only provides iron but also contains vitamin C, which helps the body absorb iron more efficiently. For those looking to boost their energy and support healthy blood, nettle is a natural choice. Beyond these benefits, Urtica is also used to promote healthy skin and hair. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can help soothe skin conditions like eczema, acne, and dandruff. Nettle tea or topical preparations are often used to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. Some people even use nettle rinses to strengthen hair and encourage growth, thanks to its rich mineral content. So, how can you incorporate Urtica into your daily routine? The good news is that nettle is incredibly versatile. You can find it as dried leaves for tea, powdered supplements, tinctures, capsules, or even fresh if you're adventurous enough to forage. Nettle tea is a popular and easy way to enjoy its benefits, Simply steep dried leaves in hot water for a nourishing, earthy drink. If you prefer, nettle capsules or tinctures offer a convenient option for busy lifestyles. For culinary explorers, cooked nettle leaves can be added to soups, stews, or sautés. Cooking neutralizes the stinging hairs, making the leaves safe and delicious to eat. Nettle's flavor is similar to spinach, with a slightly earthy herbal note that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Of course, as with any herbal remedy, it's important to use Urtica safely. While most people can enjoy nettle without any issues, some may experience mild side effects like stomach upset or allergic reactions. If you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications, especially blood thinners, blood pressure drugs, or diabetes medications, consult your healthcare provider before adding nettle to your regimen. It's also wise to be cautious when foraging for wild nettle. Always wear gloves to protect your skin and be sure you've correctly identified the plant before harvesting. Wash and cook the leaves thoroughly to remove the stinging hairs and any potential contaminants. In summary, Urtica, or stinging nettle, is a remarkable gift from nature. Its rich nutritional profile and powerful medicinal properties make it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. From reducing inflammation and easing allergies, to supporting urinary health, balancing blood sugar, and nourishing skin and hair, nettle offers a wide range of benefits, backed by both tradition and science. So next time you see this humble plant growing in a field or garden, remember the hidden power within its leaves. With a little care and respect, Urtica can become a trusted ally on your journey to better health, one cup of nettle tea at a time.